Starship Flight 12 was the first Block 3 Starship featuring a vast array of upgrades and redesign. Now, the first flight was largely successful, but how did it compare with Block 2 in terms of trajectory and in its goal of being an operational vehicle with 100 tons of payload? Now, here are the velocity time and altitude time graphs. The most striking difference is an early MECO at a much higher velocity, and at about 180 seconds, the Raptor Vac engine shuts down, changing the thrust-to-weight profile, hence lower than expected acceleration. Note, this Flight 12 lofts the trajectory compared with Flight 11. That might be due to the engine out, but I think it's more likely to do with the massive boost from the first stage, meaning that the second stage didn't actually have to fight gravity, simply just to accelerate. Now, the acceleration time graph. Here, the much higher thrust-to-weight ratio is evident off the pad, both from the videos, and also, as fuel is burned at a higher rate, the acceleration increases at a much higher rate than Flight 11, as we can see. Max Q was earlier at about 55 seconds, and if you look here, a much more aggressive throttle down. After the acceleration, this peaks at 20 meters per second, about compared with Block 2, which appears to throttle down early and limit the booster's acceleration. Now, whether this is by design or some sort of operational requirement, I don't know. Only SpaceX do. Again, the engine out sees the Block 3 acceleration drop below what was intended. Now, what's the star of the show? It's the Raptor 3. The increase in thrust density, that means thrust per meter squared of bell area, was already an industry leader for the Raptor 2, but the Raptor 3 is much higher, 250 ton-feet, and later variants will be much higher. Importantly, the packing density is the same, how many you can get on. Now, three aspects are key to getting to 100 tons: eliminating parasitic mass, which it has done with its design, but also reducing gravity losses and allowing a larger rocket are possible only by the Raptor 3. Now, we didn't see it today. Reducing gravity losses is about being faster to orbit. The booster stage demonstrated what the Block 3 can do. However, the engine out meant it took more than 9 minutes rather than 8 minutes, 11 seconds. That was determined. Now, this is my take on it. Now, if you agree or disagree, or you've seen something that you think is interesting, please drop a comment.